Are you planning a trip to Knott's Berry Farm? Here are some top tips to help you make the most of your visit. Firstly, make sure to arrive early. The park can get busy, so arriving when the gates open means more time for rides and attractions. Next, check out the park map before you go. This will help plan your day and ensure you don't miss any must-see attractions. Another tip is to download the Knott's Berry Farm app. This will give you up-to-date on wait times, attraction closures, and even help book dining reservations. For thrill seekers, make sure to ride the Accelerator, Ghost Rider, and Hangtime roller coasters. These attractions are among the most popular in the park and not to be missed. Lastly, take advantage of the fast lane passes. These will let you skip the lines and get to the front of the queue, giving you more time to enjoy the rides. Thanks for watching these top tips for traveling to Knott's Berry Farm. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel advice and inspiration.
Be strong.